Hello everyone, my name is Shai. I am the owner of My World of Curls on Instagram and now here on YouTube. And I'm here today with a Bath & Body Works haul. It's mainly going to be a Bath & Body Works haul of Wallflowers and body creams. So if you're interested in seeing that, I will start showing you what I got after the intro plays. Hi everyone, welcome back. I know what you're thinking, girl, should you be buying anything else like from Bath & Body Works? And here's the thing, I mainly shop in semi-annual sales, but when certain products come out and they have the little sales for the body creams and everything else, and it's a scent that I really want and that I know it's gonna sell out and that I'm not gonna find for semi-annual sales, I take advantage and I buy those scents that I feel like I'm not gonna get my hands on for those sales. And that's typically like the spring scents that come out or the fall scents. So I typically like to purchase those yeah, when they have those little sales, but I try not to purchase too many. So getting straight into it, first I'm gonna start with body creams. So the first body cream I picked up is Fresh Vanilla Blossoms. Now with this one, this is a collection where they came out with two. It was like Cozy Vanilla Bourbon and Fresh Vanilla Blossoms. I thought I was gonna like the Cozy Vanilla Bourbon, but I smelled it in store and I really didn't like it. And then I smelled this one and I loved it. So I picked it up and it has scents of Suede Petals, Soft Sandalwood, Vanilla Bean, and it's a very feminine scent. It's like floral and vanilla, and I feel like you can't go wrong with that. There's a lot of perfumes that I can pair this with, and it's just like a gorgeous scent overall, and I love the packaging. So that's the first one I picked up. Then from the winter collection, I got Strawberry Snowflakes. This is one that I knew for sure was gonna sell out. So when they had a body cream sale and I smelled it, and you know, I know this is a very popular scent, I decided to pick it up. And the fragrance notes are juicy strawberry, whipped cream, and iced bergamot. This smells like strawberry pound cake, but like if strawberry pound cake were like way more toned down, like a more mature strawberry scent, but it's still very strawberry and whipped cream. So like this one, and the packaging is really cute. I think I'm currently using this one, so I've been liking it a lot. Now I also got the new scent that they came out with. So I also got the new scent they came out with, which is Luminous. And honestly, the packaging just gives a very oldsy, mature vibe, but this smells good. It smells like La Vie is Belle by Lancome, which everybody has been saying, but it's really true. Like, it does smell like it. And it also like gives a very elegant, mature scent, but I do like that sometimes. And the fragrance notes are Ruby Currant, Gilded Iris, and Praline Amber. I do really like the way this one smells. Then I got, last but not least, well, not last but not least, but from the regular scents that haven't came out now, I got Among the Clouds, which this was one of their signature scents. I think like last year they came out with it, and it was like the scent they were promoting. So I got that, and it smells really fruity, but I think it'll be good to switch things up. And it's Wildberry Skies and with Vanilla Clouds, but you could smell the berries a lot, like a lot more than the vanilla. It's like berries with a splash of vanilla. I also like the packaging on this one, but I wanted to pick this up to switch it up a little bit sometimes. Then last but not least, they came out with a ballet kind of a ballet inspired line with 3 of them, as they usually do with like they do little drops sometimes, and this was one of them. And one of my favorites from that line, I like the pink suede one, but then I also like this Ballet Nights. I think this one was my favorite, and it has scent notes of wild plum, glowing amber, and tonka cream, and it smells really soft and feminine. I really like this one. So that's it for the body creams. Now I'm gonna get into the Wallflowers. which they had a sale for it, so I decided to restock it. It was like a $2.95 sale. And we have Lavender Vanilla, classic scent. Lavender Blossom, Creamy Vanilla, White Woods, Sugared Musk. Then we got Warm Vanilla Sugar, Sheer Florals, Vanilla, Absolute, Sandalwood. So those are like classic scents, like those have been around since forever, so I decided to pick them up because I really like plain simple scents for the Wallflowers, because I think it's good for, like, you know, it's good. You're always gonna find it. I haven't tried those yet, so I wanted to try them. And then I also got Luminous, and it has, you already know the fragrance notes: ruby, currant, gilded iris, praline, amber. Then I got linen and lavender, crisp linen, lavender, sea salt, fresh air breeze. Then we got Under the Christmas Tree, which I plan on using soon because it is December and Christmas is around the corner. This has notes of fir balsam, juniper berries, vanilla, eggnog, and sage leaves. Then we have another Christmas scent, which is The Perfect Christmas, fresh cut pine, cinnamon sugar, and toasted marshmallow. Then we got Laundry Day, which is a classic. Fresh air, crisp eucalyptus, soft lavender. Then I got Cactus Blossom, cactus flower petal, sun-kissed coconut, vanilla, and fresh sparkling melon. And then we have Snowy Coconut Frost. This is iced coconut, white birch, and warm vanilla. And this is a rare one, so I made sure I picked it up because I think this is a new one that they came out with. And it's pistachio and toasted vanilla. And it has salted pistachio and toasted vanilla almonds. So I think that one will smell good. Well, I'll let you know. We also have Mahogany Vanilla, warm vanilla, fresh bergamot, sweet sandalwood. So you see I got a lot of Wallflowers, and there's still a couple more. There's one without a scent, so I don't even know what to say about that. And we have Sundrenched Linen, cool cotton, crisp apple, and soft musk. So I decided to like get some Christmassy ones, some Christmas scents, but then I also wanted to get some basic ones just for year round, because, like, you know, you need scents that you're going to use year round, and then you could do the little theme ones sometimes, but sometimes you want to like switch it up. So I'm happy with everything that I got. I do not intend on buying any more Bath and Body Works anytime soon, but you just never know. If I have to restock anything soon, which I don't think it'll be that soon, it'll have to be the body washes because I'm getting through them. But I will do no semi-annual sale shopping this December. I think in the summertime, that's when it'll be like the perfect time, because I have to get through my products. I don't like to buy too many products and not being able to get through it. But yes, I hope that you enjoyed my haul. If you have any Bath and Body Works suggestions for me, leave it down below. If you like any of the scents that I mentioned, leave that down below as well. And thank you for watching my video, and I will see you next time. Give this video a like if you want more Bath and Body Works content like this. Bye.